My name's Peter Cameron. I'm a dad, a husband, adventurer, and explorer. I embrace the limitless potential that life has to offer. I am also a teacher. I give my students voice, choice, and teach them how to make a difference, and to realize their positive, powerful potential in our world. All types of technology is used within my classroom. I model how to use social media and blogs to share our collective voice in powerful ways. Google Apps for Education have become incredibly powerful tools that have helped transform our learning environment. I'm incredibly passionate about sharing best practices with teachers throughout the world, and have spoken at conferences up to the national level. Please allow me to demonstrate one of a multitude of ways that I use Google Apps for Education to transform my learning environment. I really like when my kids are allowed to have the opportunity to self-evaluate as well. Okay? Not only is it important for teachers to give feedback, but I also think it's important for our students to be reflective in their own thinking. So I'm just going to demonstrate how I use Google Forms to have my students self-evaluate how successfully they are in their math problem solving. And it's called my Niagara Falls Math Journey. And within this form, I have all of my students' names that are in a drop-down menu. And then the strands that they're working on in our learning goal, I read and understand the whole question. Or I'll have my students go ahead and determine how well they read and understand the whole question. Anywhere from a level 1 being a never to always. And I'll add another item. We'll call this planning. It's important that the students make a plan for solving their problems in math. And I'll continue to build my questionnaire or my form based on my success criteria. And when I'm done, I'll click done, and I want to send the form. In this case, I'll shorten my URL and I'll copy it. And then I'll go ahead and within my Google Classroom, I'll create an assignment. My Google Classroom allows me to create assignments and compile all my media into one place. For example, there is my video on my Niagara Falls Math Journey that my students can access. And within that same assignment is the form in which I have my students self-evaluating how they are performing based on the success criteria for problem solving.